Taking the mentality, using the physicality to develop the growth of the spirituality. Through nature, the creator, creature, the maker. Remain visible, the truth educating the youth to be fruitful in the vegetative mind. Staying rooted in the vine, artificial to beneficial. We let the light shine. Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden. Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden. 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 Yeah. 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 Oh, 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 Garden Eden.
What's going on, my beautiful treeple? We're live right now in my backyard. I invite you to join me, everybody, as we take a plant venture and we harvest some Danvers carrots today. I was looking at my sunflower seeds and I noticed this. We have a few ants. The ants really like the smell of the inside area, the outer edges, the inside. It smells really good. The sunflower smell. Oh man, there goes a... Oh man, it fell. I saw a sunflower, but it fell, but there wasn't a sunflower in there anyway because the birds got to it. So that's why I took some off. Washed them, letting them soak. These are lemon queen sunflowers. So just letting them dry out. Went to Griffith Park today and got some more wood chips. Trying to pack it up here, man. Look at the look at where we started. You can see all the way in the back in the corner. And then you see how it just raises up. So, you know, I'm slowly working up to getting at least a minimum of 12 inches. I'm trying to get it by the time fall arrives. So we are in the month of August. And we're about midway through August. I want to get at least 12 inches high, at least a minimum. And then in the fall, I'm going to go to Griffith Park and just rake up a whole bunch of leaves. I'm going to act like the janitor. Just collect all the leaves, make it look nice and clean in the park. But really, I'm taking all those leaves of gold home. And we'll just lay that on top of all these wood chips. That's going to decompose much quicker than the wood chips. So what were we doing today? We were going to harvest some carrots. I feel like making a little bit of some carrot juice later, maybe for myself, and if there's enough for my family, even if there's little shots. We'll do some carrot shots, carrot juice shots, not ginger or wheatgrass shots, carrot shots. Here's one of my praying mantids right there. You can see him right in the center. He's eating on something. This one's more brown. His name is Coco Man. Hey, Coco Man. We have a green one, which is somewhere, is a little bit smaller. His name is Manti. So Coco Man is protecting our tomatillo plant and our Armenian cucumber vine. So let's see if we can get any carrots today. Join me. a wonderful thing about carrots is they can store in your live fridge or your soil for a very long time. Because I've been picking, whenever I'm hungry, carrots that are in here. But what we're going to do right now, because I know they're not all fully mature, some of them are. I mean, I could leave them in here longer, but we're going to go ahead and pick some because I do want to start juicing. I see some of the leaves are getting brown. That's kind of when I do want to pick some. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and get this one right here. The size of that one. Whoa. He's got a tangled haircut. You can smell it too. It's a nice one right there. Let's see if we can get another one. All right. Number 2. Oh man, this one's deep in there. This better be a big one. Whoa, man, look at the size of this carrot. You've got to be kidding me. Look at the size of this thing. You could see the massive growth in this beautiful soil. That's another one. Now that is a beauty for almost graduating my first year of gardening. Jeez, man, that is crazy. All right, no wonder it was hard to pull out. Man, that thing goes way deep in there. You see that hole? Of course you can't, it's too dark. All right, we've got another one in here. Jeez, man, I don't think I'm gonna break that record. These are some huge carrots, man. All right, here's another one. All right, this one's much easier, but oh man, this is still huge. These are some huge carrots, man. It's my soil, man, I'm telling you. Okay, now I can kind of see. I can see. All right, let's see which else. What's another one we're gonna get? I'm looking around. There's so many in here, man. I'm trying to see which ones look the orangest. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. Like Lincoln Park. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Let's just get these out. Oh, that's a cute one right there. That's a cute one. All right. Oh man, that's cool. Now they say that you gotta thin these carrots. You see, there's a lot of carrots. When I started, man, I had a whole bunch of seeds in here. I've got more than half out from eating them, but you see how close they are. You do not need to thin. What they teach you is wrong in gardening schools. You do not need to freaking thin, man. Sow your seeds. The nature, they know what to do. Man, we got some nice ones here. That one is huge, man. That's crazy. I'm gonna leave some of these in here. But let's see what else we got. I wonder if this one's ready. This one's ready right here. Now, one way you can tell is you see how I moved the soil. I moved the soil back. Looks pretty good. The top, and then we just cut that off. You know, also you can tell because the tops will get brown. Or another way is that they're hanging down. So as you can see, it's hanging down. Those are the three ways by looking. You know, you'll see the color. The tops will be hanging down or they're brown. There's a little caterpillar in there. We're gonna put him, you get a wood chip. I'm gonna bury this sucker all the way down there in that deep hole where that Afroganic Guinness Book of World Records carrot holder is. That's crazy. We're gonna measure that actually and see how big that is. So let's go ahead and get this one. Got some nice sized carrots, man. And I see another one right here that looks pretty good. This one's about ready. It's a nice cute one. And looks like this one is ready. Man, there's a lot of tangled hair in here. Carrots of all different shapes and sizes. It's pretty cool. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Think about like 14 or 15 carrots that are still in here, which is pretty good. But we've kind of added some more sunlight since we've kind of thinned out most of these. I shouldn't use the word thin because I said don't thin. We've kind of made more air and light so it's exposed to these that are still in there. So look at that. It's a beautiful harvest. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carrots. It's very easy to grow food. Nature makes it so easy once you have provide the covering and the elements of nature in your soil. It's coming up to almost a year for me being a gardener, and this makes me happy. I'm gonna come back to you real quick and measure how long that is. Alright, everybody, I'm back. Whoa! I've got my yardstick, which I put into the walkway right here to measure how deep my soil is so far. I'm gonna use this yardstick to measure this carrot. This is crazy, man. So it's like about, let's even this up here. It's about like 12 inches. Look at that, 12 inches. That's crazy. A 12-inch carrot. Start a garden today. Invest money in the bank, which is your future, your garden, your hospital, your health care. This is Chris Nuno signing off Afroganic style, encouraging everyone in every way to grow big and grow home.
Taking the mentality, using physicality to develop the growth of the spirituality through nature, the creator.